Viral video showing an e-rickshaw driver pushing his vehicle for nearly 3 kilometers after its battery was allegedly switched off through a mobile app has triggered government action. MeitY Secretary S. Krishnan said the centre will take up the issue with the app stores to ensure such harmful apps are not available while authorities investigate security flaws in Bluetooth-enabled battery system. Times Network Sabyasachi Roy joins in with the updates.
The IT Ministry has ordered the removal of the BAT BMS app from Apple Play Store 2 as well as Google Play Store. The IT Ministry has issued the notification to the Apple's Play Store and the Google Play Store regarding this, because the IT Ministry had taken this decision amid raising concerns of security and a threat, because there has been instances where the e-rickshaws in the country has been remotely switched off or their power has been drained out. The IT Ministry was looking at this matter for quite some time, because several videos were being surfaced in social medias where e-rickshaws in the country were being remotely switched off through this app. Now, the BAT BMS app, which was available in Google Play Store and Apple Play Store, people downloaded it, and within the range of 15 to 20 meters, people could remotely switch off the e-rickshaw, raising safety risk as the e-rickshaws traveled in a traffic area, so that could lead to accidents. And because of the raising concerns, the IT Ministry had taken this decision, and also some of the cheap e-rickshaws used cheap lithium batteries and other Chinese-based batteries, which does not have the security layer which is needed to protect them, such as password. So anybody can access them, which could raise to serious safety concerns, and that is the reason why the IT Ministry has decided to take this